Welcome to Gold One, where understanding markets creates real opportunity. Most people think personal growth is about motivation. That's exactly why they never change. They read books, watch videos, feel inspired, and then go back to the same life. Because growth isn't about feeling better. It's about becoming different. And that only happens when your identity, your habits, and your decisions start aligning in a new way. In this video, you'll understand how real growth actually works, from the foundation to the elite level. Stay until the end, because the last part is what separates people who try to grow from those who actually transform. Part 1. What growth really is. Personal growth is not improvement, it's replacement. You're not adding new behaviors, you're replacing old patterns that no longer serve you. Most people try to stack new habits on top of a broken system. That never lasts. Real growth starts when you understand. Your current life is a direct result of your current identity. Change the identity, everything else follows. Part 2. Identity before action. People focus on actions. High performers focus on identity. If you still see yourself as someone who procrastinates, doubts, avoids, you will return to that state, no matter how motivated you feel. Your behavior always aligns with who you believe you are. That means growth is not, what should I do? It's, who do I need to become? Part 3. Awareness is the start. You can't change what you don't see. Most people operate on autopilot. Same thoughts, same reactions, same outcomes. Awareness breaks that loop. The moment you notice your patterns, hesitation, fear, distraction, you create a gap. And in that gap, you gain control. Growth begins with seeing yourself clearly. Part 4. The biggest mistake. The biggest mistake is waiting to feel ready. You won't. Clarity doesn't come before action. It comes from action. People stay stuck because they want certainty first. But growth lives in uncertainty. If you wait until it's comfortable, you'll never move. Part 5. Comfort is the trap. Comfort feels safe, but it's the fastest way to stay the same. Your brain is designed to protect you, not to grow you. So it pushes you toward what's familiar, even if it's limiting. Growth starts when you choose discomfort on purpose. Not chaos, not burnout, just controlled discomfort. Part 6. Motivation is unreliable. Motivation is a feeling, and feelings change. If your growth depends on motivation, it will collapse. Discipline is different. It doesn't ask how you feel. It asks, what needs to be done? The people who grow consistently don't feel better. They act anyway. Part 7. The real psychology. Your brain avoids loss more than it seeks gain. That means you'll avoid change, even if it's good, because it feels like losing your current identity. Growth feels like danger. That's why most people sabotage themselves right before progress. Understanding this changes everything. Part 8. Delayed gratification. Growth requires trading now for later. Most people choose comfort now, regret later. High performers reverse it. Effort now, freedom later. Every decision is a trade, and your future is built on those trades. Part 9. Emotional control. Your emotions are signals, not commands. If you react to every emotion, you stay unstable. Growth requires emotional discipline. You act based on direction, not on mood. That's how consistency is built. Part 10. Daily Actions. Growth is not big moves. It's daily repetition. Small actions, repeated long enough, create identity change. Not intensity, consistency. The people who win are not extreme. They're consistent. Part 11. Focus is power. Where your attention goes, your life follows. Most people are distracted, which means their growth is fragmented. Focus creates depth. Depth creates results. If you control your attention, you control your direction. Part 12. Environment shapes you. You don't grow in isolation. Your environment is constantly influencing you. People, content, standards. If your environment is weak, your growth will be limited. Upgrade the environment, growth accelerates. Part 13. Systems over goals. Goals are direction. Systems are execution. Most people set goals and fail because they don't build systems. A system removes decision fatigue. It turns effort into routine. And that's where real progress happens. Part 14. Skill compounding. Skills stack. One skill alone won't change your life, but combined, they create leverage. Communication plus discipline plus focus equals exponential growth. Growth is not random. It's structured accumulation. Part 15. Leverage thinking. At some point, effort is not enough. You need leverage, knowledge, systems, people. Growth becomes faster when you stop doing everything yourself and start thinking in systems. Part 16. Hidden factors. Energy matters more than motivation. If you're tired, distracted, burned out, growth slows down. Sleep, nutrition, mental clarity. These are not optional. They are multipliers. Part 17. Patterns of failure. Most people repeat the same mistakes, not because they don't know better, because they don't notice patterns. Growth requires pattern recognition. See the loop arrow, break the loop. Part 18. Self-Sabotage. Right before growth, resistance increases. You procrastinate, you doubt, you slow down. That's not failure. That's your old identity trying to survive. Recognize it and push through. Part 19. First principles thinking. Stop copying, start thinking. First principles mean breaking things down to truth. What actually works? What actually matters? Growth accelerates when you think independently. Part 20. Long-term dominance. Short-term wins are easy. Long-term consistency is rare. Growth is not about fast results. It's about sustained progress. Play long-term. You outlast everyone. Part 21. Strategic patience. Not everything should happen fast. Some results require time. Impatience destroys progress. Strategic patience builds power. Part 22. Real-world application. Growth is tested in reality, not in theory, not in planning, in decisions, in actions, in pressure. That's where identity becomes real. Part 23. Scaling yourself. At a certain level, growth becomes multiplication. You don't just improve yourself, you build systems around yourself. You think bigger, act smarter, move faster. Part 24. Elite level. At the highest level, growth is control. Control over thoughts, emotions, actions, direction. You're no longer reacting, you're designing your life. And that's the difference between people who grow and people who lead. This is Gold 1. Understanding comes first. The rest follows.